So ayun na nga ka-sports, SGPH laban Malaysia. Aba, napakaganda ng larong ito kasi madaming highlights ng ating SGA PH at ang kalaban, grabe, 50 points sa isang player. Kung trip mo po ang ganitong content, paiwan ng follow at pa-subscribe na din. Tara, tignan natin ang buong highlights ng kanilang laro.
Ray Robertson. Also,
we will be going up against Bahrain. So right now, they're 6-0. Lumalabas po na tayo second to the last matchup natin yung Bahrain. Pero tomorrow, that will determine immediately. Avi. No look pass! Goes to show how consistent he is for the side of Philippines. Miller with that fake step back jumper, that will work. Corner triple.
grabe.
Almost getting that friendly bounce. Kwame securing the leather for us. 12 seconds to shoot. Kiefer. Ito na. Papaulan na ulit. Pilipinas lamang po dito. But right now, 3-pointer was converted on the side of the Malaysians. Great call for time on their end. Halfway through the first chapter.
Patay. Avi 3. Alam mo ano eh, no? It's a guaranteed thing.
Ito 8 points again for Chiu. Although earlier he missed that bonus shot from the line, ngayon redeeming himself. First screen. Kiefer navigates his way in. Basket and one. Kiefer.
Back to a 20-point game. Abot ba yung pagtambak to 40? Why not, diba? Kaya pa naman.
Making this a 19-point deficit. Great dish. And also, great finish. Steven Green doing his all but great reverse for Ange Kwame.
Minutes. Tapos bukas, all out yan. 30 minutes in for sure.
Sigurado. Yung mga nagpahinga kahapon. 8-point game. Kiefer, the wise point guard that he is, just trying to maximize the 24 shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Going 101.
Too easy.
Kisses it off the glass.
Kira Allen.
Ito, fourth quarter.
So ayun na nga mga ka-sports, ang gandang laban nila and of course no, napakadaming highlights ng ating SGA PH at ang kalaban, pero still undefeated pa rin ang ating SGA PH. Kung nag-enjoy ko po sa video nito, paiwan ng follow, subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated po kayo mga ka-sports sa ating mga uploads. So paano, ingat po kayo.